Hey everybody, Tugboat Timmy here. I'm here as promised at Moriarty Diesel in Rochester, New York. And my truck is my yellow truck. Unfortunately, I'm not going to rebuild it. I've made a decision to move forward and purchase a new truck, which will be in a future video. But I did want to show you guys what the engine looks like kind of broke down. This is a Cummins ISX. Truck itself is a 2007 Peterbilt 387. So what I'm going to do is get out of frame and just kind of walk around the truck, give you guys a brief tour. So as you can see here, this is the lower block of the motor. The head has been removed. They have taken the whole top end off and the front end and the radiator. It's completely off of the motor. So we'll walk around. Give you the other side. View of the other side of the motor. As you can see, where the liners go, everything like that. So what an in-frame is they do an engine rebuild within the frame of your truck instead of actually removing it from your truck. This is the head. This is where all your pistons and injectors and all that great stuff goes. That's what's cracked. It's cracked on the bottom side, so you can't really see it. But it's basically cracked like under one of these sections here. There's a few cracks in it. These are all the injectors that have come out. All the bolts, rockers. So there's the turbo, which is brand new, which was a part of that $13,000 repair that happened in Cheyenne, Wyoming, if you remember that video. But you got to stay positive. You got to stay motivated. And that is the brand new exhaust manifold there on the floor. Fan, air intake, radiator, condenser. This truck has brand new tires, y'all. I recently just bought brand new tires for this truck. Here are the camshafts. There's two of them in my truck. In this truck. Start saying there's one, and there is the other one, if you can get a good view of that. So basically, guys, it's all broke down. It's ready to be rebuilt. It's a darn good truck, if I may say so for myself. It's the first truck I ever bought and paid for, paid off and kept. I wish I could keep it, but I can't, so it's up on the market. If you guys are interested, let me know. It also has the PDI air intake, which this is part of mine. Here is the ECM. This thing controls the whole motor. A couple more parts. As you can see, it's just completely torn down, ready to be put back together with new parts. So if you guys have any questions or comments about the engine rebuild on my yellow Minion here, let me know and in the comment section below, and we'll get back with you. Thanks a lot. Tugboat Timmy out.